Hey everyone, as you can see I'm sitting here next to this pagoda. I've loved pagodas ever since I was a little kid. I think ever since I saw the movie Game of Death with Bruce Lee. And since then I just really love the appearance of pagodas and the kind of symbolic meaning. Every pagoda has a really strong foundation, a strong base, and then they taper off up to the top. And they're very symmetrical, they're very balanced. And I think that idea of having balance is very important and carries over into life. For example, we can't always be overeating and we can't always be undereating. We need to strike a balance. We can't always be working. We can't always be resting and playing. We need to have a balance. Same with exercise. We can't always be exercising. We also need to rest and play. So I think that idea of having some balance, having a strong foundation is really important in life. And in terms of jumping rope, just the other day, I was helping a young woman learn how to jump rope. She started jumping rope recently because she really wants to lose some body fat and she just wants to improve her overall health and well-being. And she's got such a great attitude. Right now, she's so keen to learn all these different tricks, double unders, double under crossovers, all these kind of wicked side swings. So she's got a great attitude and she wants to learn all these moves. So she wants to be up here. But at the moment, what she really needs to focus on is having a firm foundation. Basically learning proper jump rope technique. Establish a strong base. Once you have proper jump rope technique, then you can start incorporating different jump rope moves, more advanced moves and tricks. And soon you'll advance up to here and then the sky's the limit. Just with consistent practice and patience.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Just light the flame under your ass and go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come in last. So go hard, go hard, go hard. Don't blame your problems on the past. Just light the flame under your ass and go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come in last. So go hard, go hard, go hard. Oh yeah, I'm rocking, I'm never rolling, know where I'm going, my soul ends. I got old friends who know they talking. I swear my chest is too big, it's hella swollen, patrolling, protect my heart from getting broken. Don't blame your problems on the past. Just light the flame under your ass and go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come in last. So go hard, go hard, go hard. Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Just light the flame under your ass and go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come in last.